Today, you discovered why pipes and tubes are different. But here's another question every engineer should know. What exactly is nominal pipe size, and why doesn't a 2-inch... That's next on Aienginear.
One small mistake on a purchase order delayed an entire industrial project.
Hold on! That's the wrong bundle!
At first glance, pipes and tubes look almost identical, but engineers know they serve very different purposes. Industrial pipes are designed to transport liquids, gases, and steam safely under pressure across industrial facilities. Tubes are manufactured with precise outside diameters and tighter tolerances, making them ideal for instrumentation, heat exchangers, and structural applications. Pipes are specified by nominal pipe size and schedule, while tubes are defined by their exact outside diameter and wall thickness. Pipes and tubes may look alike, but choosing the right one is essential for safety, performance, and reliable engineering. This is called a 2-inch pipe, but it doesn't actually measure 2 inches. So why do engineers call it that? The answer goes back more than a century, when pipe sizes were named according to their approximate inside diameter. Today, engineers use nominal pipe size, or NPS, a standardized naming system rather than an exact physical measurement. Because the outside diameter stays standardized, fittings, valves, and flanges remain compatible across different pipe schedules. This simple standard allows engineers around the world to design, manufacture, and maintain complex piping systems with confidence. Nominal pipe size isn't a measurement. It's a universal engineering language that keeps industries connected. Now you know why a 2-inch pipe isn't really 2 inches. But one question remains. What is pipe schedule, and why does wall thickness matter? Join us in the next Aienginear episode. These two pipes look exactly the same, but only one can safely carry high-pressure steam. The secret isn't the outside size. It's the wall thickness hidden inside the pipe. Engineers use pipe schedule, or SCH, to specify wall thickness and pressure capability while keeping the same outside diameter. High-pressure steam requires thicker pipe walls, while lower-pressure systems can safely use thinner schedules, reducing cost and weight. Selecting the correct schedule improves safety, extends equipment life, and ensures every piping system performs as designed. Pipe schedule isn't just a number. It's one of the most important engineering decisions behind every safe and reliable industrial piping system. Now you know why pipe schedule matters. But another critical decision remains: how do engineers choose the right pipe material to application? Join us next on Aienginear. Discover practical engineering knowledge trusted by industry professionals. Visit aiengineer.com and keep building your expertise.